Max & Sons Parfum is here to help you feel and smell your absolute best. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and smash that bell button to keep you updated. Let's get started.
Hi there, it's me once again, and we welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to unbox again the Bvlgari from Bvlgari Aqua Atlantique for home tester bottle. Okay, 100 ml tester with stand. Okay, tester with stand. Alright, so this is Bvlgari. Okay, Bvlgari Parfums Aqua Atlantique for home 100 ml vaporizer UD toilet tester with stand. Okay, alright, so this is the box. As you can see, just like ordinary box, because this is a tester bottle once again. So once again guys, this is Max & Sons Perfume, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, okay, and hit that bell, okay, so you don't miss any of my contents, which is unboxing perfumes and giving you good tips on how you use perfumes. Okay, alright, so let's open now the box. Okay, let's open the box like this one. As you can see, okay, there you go, you can see now the Aqua for home. Okay, alright, so as you can see, we can see now, oh my god, sorry about that one. Okay, it falls. Okay, but this is the product. Okay, so as you can see, it has a stand. Okay, alright, so this is Aqua for home. So the letter H here is quite like was actually maybe because of the friction of the box here. Okay, so maybe it was like removed because of the friction of the box. So this is the Aqua for home. So as you can see here, we have a stand. It has a stand, so we can put the display like this maybe. So as you can see, so it looks quite good. Alright, so this is a tester bottle, so meaning sometimes maybe they are using it. So as you can see, the liquid is quite like 80% already, so maybe they use this one, and it so happened that I bought it also. So as you can see here, it has engraving here like the Bvlgari. Okay, then it has here this is sticker, and we have engraving as well also. No, it's just like a sticker. Then we have the Aqua Atlantique in front. Okay, as you can see, alright, just like this. And we have here the sprayer, so we can just spray like this. Okay, it smells really good. My god, oh my god. So the main accords is amber, aromatic, aquatic, marine, citrus, woody, fresh, animalic, salty, and balsamic. Okay, very nice smelling. So Aqua for home Atlantique by Bvlgari is a woody aquatic fragrance for men. Okay, Aqua for home Atlantique was launched in 2017. The nose behind this fragrance is Jacques Cavallier Top notes are water notes, Calabrian bergamot, Sicilian lemon and sage. Middle notes are C notes, okay, ambergris and apple. Base notes are benzoin, amberwood, patchouli, sandalwood and vetiver. Very nice smelling. So this is very popular masculine aquatic fragrance, guys. So if you want to be smelling really nice, really good, really fresh, try this Parfum Atlantique. I can tell you, you can never get wrong. The smell is really fresh. I like it. And personally, I like this this perfume, and I usually wear it during the night, during the day, and it lasts pretty good to me, like 12 hours. Really, for me, I don't know with others, but for me, it really lasts 12 hours with me, I should say. So if you want to buy this again, you can buy it at Max & Sons Parfum. And again, you can message me in my Facebook page. You can follow me. I mean, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. You can follow my my Facebook page, which is Max & Sons Parfum. Okay, so as you can see, the shape is round, and it's like you can see this is like 125 ml or 100 ml. It's only 100 ml based on the box, so it's 100 ml, it's not 125 ml. So I think this is pretty nice, good looking bottle, exquisite, very beautiful. The smell is really good, and I cannot say anything about it. It's all good. Smells nice as well. So I think that's all for now. And once again, if you like the video, please share it with your friends, and do give me a thumbs up, and just put comments. Any suggestions will do to improve my channel. It's okay. Alright, okay, once again, this is Max & Sons Parfum, and thank you for always watching my videos, guys. Have a good one, and again, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, okay? So you will be updated with all the videos that I post at least once a week. Okay, so this is the unboxing of tester bottle Aqua Bvlgari.
Thank you for watching Max & Sons Parfum. If you like this video, share it with your friends to start smelling absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to like, put any comments regarding your concern in perfumes and fragrances, and we're happy to answer you or do a video for you. Subscribe and hit that bell for you not to miss any of my contents uploaded every week. See you again next time. Max & Sons Parfum. Even the goddess will fall.